The Genesis GV90 has officially arrived as the brand's first full-size flagship sport utility vehicle, and it represents a major step forward for Genesis. Developed from the Neolun concept first shown in 2024, the production GV90 combines electric performance, advanced technology, unusual door engineering, and a cabin designed to feel more like a private luxury lounge than a traditional sport utility vehicle. Genesis will offer the GV90 in two main versions. The GV90 Neolun receives the attention-grabbing Neolun Arch Gate, while the standard GV90 uses conventional swing doors. The Neolun system eliminates the traditional visible center pillar and uses opposing coach doors that can open and close independently. Genesis developed a special dual-motion rear hinge that first moves the door outward before rotating it open, creating an exceptionally wide entrance for rear passengers. That dramatic opening does not mean Genesis ignored safety. High-strength steel beams are integrated into the doors, while the passenger compartment uses additional reinforcement to create what is essentially a concealed roll cage. The GV90 also features 12 airbags, including what Genesis calls the world's first roof airbag. During a serious rollover, the system can deploy across the glass roof to help protect passengers. Underneath, the GV90 uses the electric mobility prime platform developed specifically for the Genesis flagship. A huge 123.5 kilowatt-hour battery is paired with front and rear electric motors, producing a combined 657 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Genesis estimates approximately 310 miles of driving range for the 7-seat model. Connected to a 350 kilowatt fast charger, the battery can go from 10% to 80% in just 22 minutes. The GV90 also gets dual electronic limited slip differentials, multi-chamber air suspension, electronically controlled dampers, and active rear wheel steering. The rear wheels can turn up to 5 degrees, helping this 208.1-inch long flagship maneuver more like a smaller vehicle at low speeds while improving stability at higher speeds. Its 127.8-inch wheelbase also creates substantial room inside. Inside is where Genesis has really pushed the GV90 beyond its existing models. When parked, the available motorized front seats can rotate a full 180 degrees, allowing passengers to create a face-to-face lounge arrangement. A pop-up organic light, emitting diode cinematic display measures 23.6 inches during normal driving and expands into a 24.6-inch display when raised. A massive 25-inch head-up display places important driving information directly in the driver's field of view. Luxury continues with a 25-speaker Bang Olufsen Premier, 3-dimensional audio system, Dolby Atmos, ambient glow lighting, massage seats containing 15 individual air cells, and materials including leather, natural wood, genuine stone, and wool cashmere. The 4-seat Neolun Executive Suite goes even further with a real wood floor, radiant heating inspired by traditional Korean ondol heating, a refrigerator, integrated tables, and a smart vision roof with 6 independently controlled transparency zones. Outside, Genesis has kept the design surprisingly clean. Inspired by traditional Korean moonjar pottery, the GV90 stretches 208.1 inches long and can ride on massive 24-inch forged wheels. Rather than covering the vehicle with aggressive lines, Genesis focused on smooth surfaces, its signature 2-line lighting theme, and a minimalist rear without a conventional spoiler. The GV90 is more than simply a larger Genesis electric sport utility vehicle. With 657 horsepower, unusual coach doors, flagship-level technology, a massive battery, and an interior built around passenger comfort, it shows just how far Genesis intends to push into the highest end of the luxury electric market.